Got him. Ooh, that's a nice fish. Ooh.
Not that big, it's a pike.
But why is he fighting so hard? No, it's not. It's a bass. Smallie. Big smallie.
Bass. I gotta get the bass.
It's the best.
Why is it that every time we're catching a fish today, we're getting interrupted by people?
I know.
Can we just catch a fish and peace?
Yeah, seriously.
So...
Oh, that's what Pan says. You get the grip? You grip him.
Yep.
What'd you get? This guy. Pike?
That's a lie.
Big. 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 It's a... Oh my god. That's a huge fish. It's a fucking huge fish, man. Got him. Got him. Nice one. Oh my god. Yo, keep it quiet. Keep it quiet. Do you see? Oh, better. Straight? No, he's fine. He's gotta breathe. Oh, he's biting. Go, go. Yeah, and let's get like actual bass so we can do it. The engine's fucking fine. I'm gonna try it again. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna start paddling, right?
I gotta get the bass.
With me on the boat. That's my waders.
Can we launch it?
Go.
Go what?
Take a picture?
Yeah, I'm videoing everything.
Oh, fuck you.
Oh my god, this is so much fun. I want to be able to tell when they take. I'm going to set the hook. Got him. Got him. Nice one.
Oh, that's a nice pike.
Why are they all here?
That's a nice one, no?
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's the biggest one so far.
Yeah, but they're all darts, bro. Oh man, I thought it was a bucket, man. Slimy bastard. This is pretty. Oh my god! Relax, relax, relax.
Good pull though, eh?
Yeah, they're fighters. Good looking. Relax, man. They're so crazy. Yeah. It's good. 3.5 pounds.
Imagine the difference. Imagine a 3.5 pound bass versus a 3.5 pound pike.
Yeah. Seriously.
Like the power, the fucking.
The intensity of it. The whole experience is crazy.
The way they carry their weight.
Their paddles are huge too. They're wide bodied. They displace so much water. That's the thing. Yo, first actual bite with this. I'm gonna try it again. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna start paddling, right? If there's someone there, we can ask for a little gas. If not, we can just paddle straight up. Should I throw the spinner off the back? It's turning us a little bit. It's a nice walleye.
Beautiful walleye. You want to take a picture of you with it?
I have it.
Here, just lip him. So.
No, it's. What do you mean he has teeth?
Get him by the gill.
You gonna lip a walleye? How would I just fucking clamp his bitch ass like that?
And hold it from the belly up. Perfect eater. See ya, buddy. Live well and prosper.
I thought, why is it turning up? Fucking dragging a walleye like an anchor. Not a bad size either. That was worth it. That walleye was so gassed, got fucking dragged across the whole leg.
We're actually drifting more this way now.
That's it. That was worth it, catching a walleye.
Oh, fish, fish on. Good fish. Walleye, I think.
Actually?
Yeah. Oh, I got tight. Oh no, decent walleye.
So walleye? We're not having a bad day by any means.
By any means.
Oh, that's what Pan says. You get the grip, you grip him.
Decent walleye. Hey?
That's really decent. Not huge, but you don't want huge. Nice. You got on that thing, yeah.
This thing, man, that bait is so close. Man, he just took it and went like this.
Just down, eh?
Just because the whole rod tip just went like this. It was like this.
Yeah. It's crazy how we had that walleye on the whole time. Just dragged his ass all the way across. Fixed it. This screw. It's a process. Yeah, and let's get like actual bass so we can do it. The engine's fucking fine.
Yep.
What'd you get? This guy. Pike?
No, it's a walleye. Decent walleye.
Oh, look at that white tip.
Biggest walleye of the day, for sure.
No.
Fish whips?
They're on the thing, on the front deck. No, yeah. Oh, yeah. It is the biggest one of the day. It's fat. Look at that white tail. See the tip? That's how you tell it's a walleye. Like when it's underwater, you're fighting it. Ooh, that's it. Bring her up. Hold it higher. Oh, there you go. Nice. Smallies coming, you know that.
You're right, man. This bait just looks way too good in the water.
Got him. Ooh, that's a nice fish. Ooh.
Pike, I think it's a pike. I saw it. Not that big, it's a pike.
But why is he fighting so hard? No, it's not. It's a bass. Smallie. Big smallie.
Huge smallie, holy shit.
What was I saying? Oh my god, look at that fight.
Leave it in the water, leave it in the water. Just fight it, man. Be quiet. No, shut up. Don't show up.
Think about smallie. Yo, he's like 4 pounds. Okay.
Oh yeah, vice grip?
Yeah. Can you grab it? Yo, he's gonna. Can you grab the fucking vice grip? What are you doing? Get him. Okay, go. Get him.
Hurry up.
Let's pick him up, belly him. Got him? Yeah? Oh my god. Keep it down. Easy. Easy. Oh my god. That's a huge fish. It's a fucking huge fish, man. Let me see. You can get a weight here. It's 4.2.
Let me see that fish. Put it sideways a bit. Put it sideways.
Okay. Here, take it. Wait. Here. Whoa. Relax. I'm fine. What was I saying?
Look at that fish, man. That is one.
Here.
Good job, man. Amazing fish.
Let me just fucking melt. 4.5.
Yes, baby, yes.
Right,
On the spinner?
Hold it. No, hold it properly. Go, make it straight. No, he's fine. He's gotta breathe. Ow, he's biting us. Go.
On the spinner, dude? What the heck?
That helps.
What the heck? How shallow was he, dude? He was in like 2 foot of water.
It could be 5 pounds because they're broad.
I'm like, oh, not that big, small pike.
No, you're like, no. I'm like, it's just fighting hard. No, man. A bass, a smallie fights so different. That fought like 10 pike put together. He went ham.
That was crazy,
Dude. Okay, let's drift in.
Oh man, what a fish. I told you, this place has fucking giants.
That's a big
Giants.
Ain't no pike eating that. There's no pike that can eat that. That fucking smallie would body any pike. 40-inch pike, 50-inch pike, I don't give a fuck. Maybe a muskie. Only muskies can take that. That was absurd. So that's our cottage. Right there. And that, in front of that white cottage, is exactly where we got it. Insane. Absurd. I'm done. My life's made.
You think a smallie would hit this?
He devoured that. He stick his fucking giant mouth in its asshole. Straight up. So see, okay, so look, so over here, I'm just casting and reeling because it's rocky, small rocks that lead up to there, so it's perfect ground for spawning and for feeding, for crayfish and everything.
I was on that spinner.
Yeah, the violence
under the boat like that. Like,
dude, I couldn't hold him.
Running fucking the other way.
Couldn't hold him.
You finally. Oh man, when you turned like that,
Yeah.
when the body turned.
You were like, it's a pike. I'm like, yeah. No. But I can't.
Like, you small, you small.
You know for a fact the parents won't let their kids watch the show. It's just gonna be 13 and up because ain't no way we can censor our fucking words. Everyone says
What do we say?
we fucking swear and do all this shit. Like you can't change that. So we have to just ourselves. Here, throw this. Do not lose it. It's really fun. Oh my god! Yo, keep it quiet. Keep it quiet. You see?
Are you not in yet?
I'm on too.
Oh, wait, you're on?
Yeah. No, I'm not. I'm not. Yeah, I am. No.
Yeah.
What do you have? You have a bass.
Yeah.
This is largie.
On this. Super...
Take it on that side. Take it on that side. I'll get you the grip. Largie? Smallie. Yeah, baby. What did I just tell you?
You have to look back at.
Oh, better. Can you give me the thing? This treble hooks. The best.
Why is it that every time we're catching a fish today, we're getting interrupted by people?
I know.
Can we just catch a fish and pee?
Yeah, seriously.
People are so fucking nosy.
Yeah, why are you fucking looking at our shit? Like, go somewhere else. Did I?
Oh. It just bothers me. Like, I come out 3 hours away from fucking society. 3 fucking hours. And
Some fucking asshole.
Best. I gotta get the best.
Okay,
Side
man.
profile.
Okay. That's a huge fish. Shore fishing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Spawn bass fishing. Spring bass
Side
fishing.
profile. Side profile. Holy shit. It's a 5-pounder. Yo, side profile please for YouTube. Side profile. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer.
How'd you catch that, man?
Spinner. Right here. Get a close shot. Then we'll get a release. Look how, yo, that's 5 to 6 pounds.
Amazing fish, man. What the hell? From shore. Let's go. Let's catch another one. Come on.
Big. Big and big and holy shit. Alright, watch the release. Right. Come close. Thank you, buddy. Look how healthy he is. Absolutely. Ow, he bit me. Alright, buddy. What'd you get? How big?
Hit it right up close.
Yeah, we were just talking about the other one. Is it a smallie?
Yeah.
A large? Oh, that's nice. What'd you get?
Big smallie.
Another one?
Yeah. We're just dialed in on the smallies today. They're tasty.
And larges. Turn.
What you got, man? What you got? Let's see.
That's a nice one.